have crippling depression.
Hey dude, wanna know my number? Yeah? What is it? It's 707-217-6051. That is not an available number. Alright.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
Uh-oh. Stop it. Oh. That bring me up. You?
These nuts.
Dude, I'm gonna kill you. Wait, what'd you say? I'm gonna kill you. What'd you say? I can't hear you. What'd you say? I said I'm going to kill you.
It's Halloween.
Hey teens, want to see a little prank? What do you call a jelly inside a fish? A fish inside jelly. Fish jelly. We got another one. 12 hours later. Here's my group. They're like, I know, it's so hilarious, guys. Yeah.
Oh, hell no!
Don't you even press that button. Don't get rid of all peeps. Beep. Yes, we did. Okay, sure. Alright, guys. So that's all for like, I can show you them. I have double iPads. You look at teams and like
He's a junior.
I can press him all the time. It's going to be awesome. What?
Have you ever had a dream that was
The next page. Oh no. So, and here's the other page. And I'm going to do it. Listen. here is the other one. Right. Oh, I stopped. Right, next page. That one's my favorite. They're all my favorite. Cool.
I need some milk.
Alright, we're cool. I like it. Alright.
Hey, Patricia.
Alright.
I have crippling. That's the wrong number. Psych. That's the wrong number.
No. Knuckles. Alright, big. Do you know the way? Alright, I think you guys should enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe. The other one, I think I passed out. Oh well. See you guys.